Well, welcome back to Living in Cape Coral. I'm Marla.
And I'm Dean with eXp Realty. Today we're in Southeast Cape Coral. And Marla, what do we got to show them today?
Oh, we're thrilled to show you this 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage pool home.
Let's check this place out. No detail was spared with this home.
Okay, from these high-end KitchenAid appliances to this oversized quartz waterfall island to this built-in coffee maker that has added storage underneath. No expense has been spared. Of course, we can't forget about the pool and this beautiful jacuzzi.
That is a nice jacuzzi. Well, I hope you guys like this video and I hope you like the house as much as we do. If so, give me a call. Let's schedule a private tour. Me and Marla will take good care of you. Have a great day.